Thanks for coming out on a Saturday morning. Welcome. I'm Bill Feder. I own Immaculate Paint Protection. Appreciate you guys coming out today. So what are you here for? Well, we're going to give you a hands-on demonstration on how to wash a car. Greg and Lisa were kind enough to get this set up with us for the club. It's real simple today. I just want to show you guys, I want to share with you some of my secrets here in the shop. Immaculate Paint Protection, we do ceramic coating and paint protection film. Paint protection film stops all the rock chips and the stone chips. Ceramic coating makes it easy to wash, easy to keep clean. Guys, if you're here today learning how to wash your car, take this. What you're going to do is a do not wash, okay? So why am I going to give you a do not wash tag when you're at a car wash somewhere? Well, you don't want other people washing your car. That's the real secret to it here. We'll put some tire cleaner on here.
Is there any concern getting that on the body?
No.
Okay.
I wouldn't recommend it, but I could use this. I could use something on the whole body if I needed to, okay? We're going to actually use an iron removing product on the whole body too to pull all the iron off. The process is we do the same thing all the same way every time. I start at the back tire here because we're going to go downhill and the water's going to run off this way. So if I do it now, I'm dry here. Otherwise, I start that way around. I'm kneeling down when it's wet. So we want to touch the paint as least as possible, all right? So let's let the chemicals do the job. You guys can come on up. I won't spray you, trust me. So that's the iron. That's the chemical dissolving it there. So here's what's going on. The question is, will the iron come off from hand washing? And I would say no. What happens is that iron is now embedded. It's embedded into the clear coat, and it's just going to keep eating down into the clear coat. So the sooner we can get that off and that. So I used the two big square body mitts on the paint. At the very end, what we're going to do is we're going to use the rocker mitts. We're going to use the rocker panels and the door jambs, the most dirty area. I'm not going to take a bunch of grit and grime from the door jam and get it on the panel here. Clean water, we dunk it in 1, 2, 3. What that's doing is we're essentially washing the wash mitt out between every panel. So if we do pick up some grit and grime here, we're going to get it off, and we're not going to take that and drive it all over the whole car and scratch the whole vehicle down. To look at the engine. To look at the engine, right? I'll show you guys. See, this is cool. I got to help her now so I can go walk and talk. We always start at our shop, we start with the least aggressive possible. Go work on your neighbor's minivan first, all right?